Hey, hello, what's up guys? Today's video will be a very easy one, quick one. We'll be showing you how to download Minecraft for free. So depending on your system, it could be Mac or Windows or Linux, you could download Minecraft for free from the internet. So first thing of course, pull up your usual Google engine, in my case Google, and then type in on the link URL above Minecraft download. And once you're in, make sure to click the very first website that appears. It should be Minecraft.net, which is the official website of Minecraft. And as you can see here, it has a button that says Download Launcher for Mac OS. But if you're using a Windows PC, it will show a Windows 10 or 11. And if you scroll down below, you have different options like download for Android, iOS. For Linux, it could also be for Java or Bedrock, which are different options or editions. So what you want to do is, of course, just click download here. In my case, since I have just downloaded it earlier, you just have to click it, and then it will install your Minecraft on your PC or your Mac, and then you're good to go. You have downloaded Minecraft for free. That's it. Thank you for watching.